Most people are creating content alone, struggling, posting, and barely growing. But the creators making real money, they collaborate. And not just casually, they use specific collaboration features that multiply reach, income, and growth. In this video, I'll break down 5 powerful collaboration systems that can literally change your income if you use them correctly. Let me tell you something you don't know. This is why collaboration is equal to money. Welcome. This is the full masterclass video, free, very detailed, for high retention. Watch till the end and you're on your way to being a US dollar millionaire. You can thank me later. Audio collaboration is one of the most underrated money strategies. This includes podcasts, voice features, audio interviews. How it makes money. When you collaborate through audio, you borrow trust. Your audience hears you, but also hears someone they already trust. That builds credibility fast.
This is the strategy. Start a simple AI-powered podcast. Use tools like 11 Labs or Voicer Tool to enhance voice quality. Invite small creators in your niche. Monetization, sponsorships, affiliate links, audience funneling. The hook. A 30-minute conversation can bring you more clients than 30 posts. Monetization, sponsorships, affiliate links, audience funneling. The hook. A 30-minute conversation can bring you more clients than 30 posts.
Short-form collaboration is about speed. This includes Reels, TikTok, short clips. And the strategy? Create short clips from long content. Tag collaborators. The result? You multiply exposure across platforms. Advanced move is turn one video into 10+ short clips. Type shorts if you want viral hook formulas. This is where growth explodes. Video collaboration includes joint videos, reaction content, interviews. Here is the strategy. Instead of posting alone, feature someone in your niche. And the advanced move? Use audience stacking. You collaborate with
someone at your level, someone slightly above, someone slightly below. The result? You stay visible across multiple audiences consistently. Bonus.
Comment video if you want collab script ideas.
Great idea. Let's get those comments rolling in.
Exactly. The more ideas, the better our collab will be.
I'm excited to see what we get. This is where real money happens. Livestream collaboration is powerful because it's live, interactive, urgent. How it makes money? Donations, super chats, real-time selling. This is the strategy. Host a live session with another creator. Topic: how to make money with AI. Donations, super chats, real-time selling. This is the strategy. Host a live session with another creator. Topic: how to make money with AI. Psychologically, people buy faster during live sessions because of urgency, trust, interaction. Pro tip: always include a clear offer during the live.
This is where collaboration turns into cash. File downloads include ebooks, templates, prompt packs.
The strategy: collaborate to create a product. Example: you plus another creator is Leckle to AI prompt pack. The platform to sell on: Gumroad. Why this works? 2 audiences, 1 product. Double the reach, double the sales. Pro tip: bundle products for higher pricing. The biggest mistake? Using only one method. Winning system: audio, build trust. Video, grow audience. Live stream, convert. Shorts, expand reach. Downloads, make money. That's a complete system. Shorts, expand reach. Downloads, make money. That's a complete system. The mindset shift. If you apply even one of these strategies, your content and income can change. Comment below, which one will you try first? Audio, video, live, shorts, downloads, finally, and subscribe. Because next I'll show you how to turn collaborations into consistent monthly income. Day 1 is simple. Pick one service you can sell using AI. Best options: content creation, chatbot setup, script writing, social media management.
Tool: use ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini AI, or DeepSeek. Don't overthink. Just pick something simple.
Pick a money skill to level up your finances. AI services make it simple and powerful. Choose one and watch your financial future grow. Smart money moves start with AI. Get started now. Why this is what you need to learn? This taps into curiosity, speed, money, and beginner appeal. How? 7 days, $1,000. Start over. If I lost everything today, no audience, no money, no connections, here's exactly how I would make $1,000 with AI in just 7 days. Not theory, not motivation, a real plan. First, set the rules. Next, establish objectives. Then, define responsibilities. Set the timeline. Finally, agree on evaluation. Let's make this real. Rules. No paid ads, no advanced skills, no coding. Just AI and execution. Comment start if you'd actually try this. You don't need to master it. You need to be good enough to deliver value. Here is the strategy. Ask AI. Teach me how to offer this service in 1 hour. You don't need to master it. You need to be good enough to deliver value. Here is the strategy. Learn by doing. Ask AI. Type learn if you're following teach me how to offer this service in the hour.
This is where most people fail. They don't show anything. Create 1 to 2 samples. That's enough. Example, sample captions, sample chatbot, sample script. No clients, no money. So we fix that fast. You strategize by reaching out to small businesses, creators, and coaches. Example of script. Hi, I noticed your page. I created something that can help you grow. You want to see it? Pro tip, keep it simple. No long messages.
You don't need 100 clients. You need 1. Rising?
$50, $100, $100. Focus on value, not perfection.
Day 6. Deliver fast.
Package secured, on the move. Last one loaded. Let's roll.
Speed wins. The strategy. Deliver within 24 to 48 hours. The result? Fast delivery, repeat clients. Day 7. The metrics show we're scaling. Multiple clients are coming on board. The income stack is building. Projections show we'll hit 1,000. This is how you scale. Let's keep building. Now we multiply. 5 clients x $200 equal $1,000. Same skill, more clients. The secret is not AI, it's action. Most people watch, very few execute. If you followed this plan, you're already ahead of most people. Comment day 1 if you're starting today, and subscribe, because next, I'll show you how to turn this into $5,000 a month consistently.
Subscribe for more videos like this. Just click this button right here, and you'll be all set. Thanks for watching.